All right, now I'm on page 462. Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, also invented a kite made out of cells shaped like triangular pyramids, much like this kite right here. A kite is made of triangular pyramid-shaped cells with fabric covering one face and the base of the pyramid. So one of the faces and the base. The face and the base both have heights of 17.3 and side lengths of 20. How much fabric is needed to make one pyramid cell? Okay, what do I need to find? I need to know which measure to use again, because I'm not going to use all of it, because only fabric only covers part of it. Which measure to use, and the amount of fabric needed. That's a C. Okay. What information do I need to use? The dimensions of the pyramid. How will I use the information? Well, first you need to decide which measure to use. First, I will decide which measure to use. Excuse me. Then I will choose, oh man, excuse me, the formula to go with it. So depending on what measure I use, it depends on what formula I will use. And then plug in the numbers for the variables. And then solve, of course. All right, so I know that it is a triangular pyramid. So the base and the sides are all triangles. So I know I'm going to need to use the formula area equals 1/2 times base times height. Okay. So the face and the base both have heights of 17.3 and side lengths of 20. And I need to know how much is needed to make one pyramid cell. So I need to do base 17, or let's see, both have heights. Height is 17.3, base is 20, so 1/2 times 20 times 17.3. Now, little clue here, little shortcut, I guess you could say. Since I know I have the face and the base, so I have two triangles. Since I have two triangles, I'm going to need to find this area and then multiply by 2. But multiplying, taking off this 1/2 would be the same as multiplying by 2 at the end, because this is essentially dividing it by 2. So if I don't divide it by 2, I won't need to multiply by 2 at the end. So really, since I know I need exactly 2, this only works when you need exactly 2. If I needed 3, I couldn't use this strategy. Okay, but since I know I need the face and the base, so 2 triangles, if I get rid of this 1/2, I'll get my answer in 1 step rather than 2. Okay, now of course you can do this. If you say, I don't know, Mr. Music, I don't feel comfortable with that, you can change that 1/2 to 0.5. You can multiply this all out, get your answer, and then multiply it by 2 and get your final answer. Okay, but multiplying by 2, if I just get rid of this 1/2 up front, this 0.5, I can find the answer in 1 step instead of 2. So I can do 17.3 times 20, and then that will be my final answer. Okay, so 0 times 3 is 0. That's all going to be zeros. Kiss that 0 goodbye. 0 placeholder. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Move my decimal over 1, so you get 346, and it's centimeters. And since we're talking about area, it's centimeters squared. We're not talking about volume. Volume would be if we're filling those triangles up, but we're not filling them up. We're just putting some fabric on them. So if you do it the way I did it, or you do it this way, both ways you'll get 346 for your answer. Okay, so you'll see that it is in fact correct either way. All right, so 346 centimeters squared of fabric is needed. Explain how you knew which units to use for your answer. Okay, we're finding area, so I know area is measured in square units. Volume is in cubed units. I'll write on that a little bit, that's okay. In square units. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.